Open year-round, Meadow Lake Guest Ranch is located in central British Columbia, on the historic Gold Rush Trail. Over 700 acres, the ranch sits on the Fraser Plateau, surrounded by undisturbed crown lands with dozens of lakes and streams that support a rich ecosystem and abundant wildlife. We love eating well and sharing meals with friends and family. Our homes feature a variety of dining spaces, and all of our kitchens are well-stocked with cooking and servingware. Enjoy great meals together. Jefferson Ranch House is a well-appointed, custom-crafted log home with spectacular views of the Marble Range. Meadow Lake Roadhouse is an historic, fully restored home. The Hunter's Cabin is a cozy, one-room log home. Recharge your spirit while you indulge in your favorite outdoor passions at your home away from home.